Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Krista. I am a stay-at-home mom to two little boys, and today we're doing an all-day clean with me. This house really needed to be cleaned, so I just took the day and got it done. There also is a Target haul in this video because in the middle of the day I decided last second to go take a trip to Target with the boys, and it was super fun, and I wanted to show you what I got. But you look so amazing. But before we were able to do anything else, I needed to go ahead and get the kitchen cleaned up. So I put up the clean dishes, and then I cleaned the very few dirty dishes that I had. There wasn't too much to do, so I just went ahead and got it done before we went and had our fun for the day. Got me saying, hey girl, will you marry me? 2 kids in a house and live happily. We are so meant to be. But she says, wait, you forgot something. Every good thing comes to an end. At least it always happened to me. I'm telling you this now. You don't need to worry, cause I got this all down. And we get on together, and we can be so much more than who we are. So much more than who we are. If I'm tripping over your time, but you look so amazing, and we can be so much more than who we are. So much more than who we are. We can knee deep in while the world just falls apart. At the rise above it all, and we can, and we can be so much more than who we are. So much more than who we are. We can knee deep in while the world just falls apart. At the rise above it all, and we can.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky, when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies, then you took my hand.
Now to my favorite part, which is cleaning the sink. I actually went kind of hardcore because I got a new cleaning brush from Dollar Tree and I wanted to give it a try. And I haven't really deep cleaned this apartment since we moved in. So I just kind of scrubbed that and it got all the gunk off of the faucet, and I was so in love. I love this brush. If you have not gotten this brush from Dollar Tree, run to your Dollar Tree and get it because it has cleaned so much. Whenever you see how I clean the bathroom with the sink, it got so much off of the sink faucet in there too. It was amazing.
Love a little louder.
seems like you like me too. We can take it slow, make sure we do this right. Canceled all my plans to be with you tonight. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. Dropping clues. There's no need to rush, so let's just take our time. Dropping everything, 'cause you're stuck on my mind. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think you were meant to be with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. A.m. in the car, playing our favorite song. Turn it up, windows down, we sing along. The summer night has just begun. The moon is bright, let's have some fun.
Pause and cleaning, we went to Target and I thought I'd show you what we got. So first things first, Parker over here got some cleaning toys. Just this little helper kit. Now let me show you. So I'm trying to introduce Ollie to the bottle because he needs to go on formula now. So I got some Avent bottles because he didn't take the Tommy Tippy one, so I want to see if he'll take these.
Bottles?
Yeah. We need to get our life in order. So I got this dry erase planner to put in the kitchen. And then Ollie needed some more pajamas, so I got a 3-pack. Look how cute that is. Oh my gosh. And then I got this candle. Home is my happy place. I'm going to put it over there. Look at my messy house. And then I got me an actual planner to plan. It'll hopefully plan my videos out a little bit better with some markers. And then I got 2 of these, which you'll see in this video where I'm going to put them. I want to put them above the laundry because that's where we keep some chips and stuff, and we need a better system. So there's that.
So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go.
So I wanted to go ahead and hang up this new calendar. That way we could go ahead and get started planning out our days, and hopefully I would not forget any other appointments that I may have coming up. So you can see me struggling to get this to hang on the wall. It came with some Velcro, but it wasn't keeping it very stable, so I had to go back in and put a nail in so that it would stay up on the wall.
It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, let me love. Baby, let me love you. Say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me going, oh. You got me going, oh. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, let me love. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, let me love. Baby, let me love you. I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. And when I look at you smile.
Now we're going to hop into the bathroom and get this cleaned up. It needed a good cleaning. The only thing I didn't do was the floors because I had done that just a couple of days before. So I just go ahead and start cleaning the toilet with the Lysol, or is it Clorox? Clorox toilet wand. It's the best because you can just throw away the head afterwards. You don't have to deal with any of the nastiness. And I do clean my shower, but I couldn't get a good angle, so all you could see was my head bobbing in and out of the frame. So I just deleted that from this video.
Let me love you.
mom life right here. This is what my living room looks like every single day because the boys are always on the floor. You can see we have a little tummy time thing down there for Oliver, and then Parker brings all of his toys out from his room into the living room instead of playing with them in his bedroom. He likes to be where his mama can see him. So I'm just taking one of those Target bins that I bought to just kind of make the pickup a little bit easier and put it all in that bin before I transfer it to his room.
From the first time I saw ya, you were not like the others. A cool kind of melody. You rattled my cage without warning, kept it up right till the morning. A new kind of ecstasy. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be.
Now that I have the living room cleaned up, sorry that you hear Ollie in the background of my voiceover. This is actually going to be the end of this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope it gave you some motivation. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel where I make new videos every week. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.
There are no stop signs, counting down till we take flight. It's how you